Today we have a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is Highly Impaired Woman Takes on Officers.
What's the matter, Melissa? Just coming to check on you. I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing fine.
What are you looking for, Melissa?
I'm trying to get my head together, but everybody's scaring me.
What do you mean we're scaring you?
Because I'm always so making me feel I'm some bad empress, okay? Bad empress.
Okay. Can you do me a favor and take those red book backs off?
Yeah, here.
Melissa.
Take it off. Here. It's on. Here.
All right, Melissa, stop. Put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm taking time. He's stuck next to me. Where's the f***ing stuff to go? Where's the f***ing freedom, man?
Yeah, if you can't be on that road, it says no trespass.
You have freedom in public, not private property.
Down, man.
Melissa, stop. Melissa, stop. Over to my car. Now.
He had 2 trespassers, man.
Stop.
Melissa.
Melissa,
You want me to do, man?
Melissa, stop.
Together, man.
Stop.
Get it together here.
Melissa, Melissa, stop.
No, hit me
Stop.
Hit me back.
Stop. Stop.
Here, just hit me, please.
Melissa, stop. Melissa, stop. None of this is necessary. Melissa, stop. Enough. You're knocking stuff off my vest. Enough. You're doing this to yourself. I'm not doing anything. Call for PT. I don't want to put it in the back of our car. Melissa, stop. Stop. You're getting real close to me putting hog ties on you. Stop. He's about with one. Okay. Give me your shackles, please. Melissa, let go of your feet.
No,
Let go, Melissa. Let her keep them there. That's fine. It works out perfect, actually. Okay. Keep them up for a minute. If you could, I'm just gonna double lock them so they don't get tighter. Can you double lock the handcuffs too? I'm just. Melissa, you're gonna get. Try not to poke you.
I'm so bad.
These officers got their gloves on. Good work, good teamwork. Listen, as far as for her, your mind is a terrible thing to waste, man. And her shit is gone, man. It's gone.
Call for
Bad guy.
I called her 10:15 and
I guess she's not going home right now.
Melissa, stop. Stop. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Look, I can't take that.
Stop.
Oh, black me.
Melissa, please calm down. You're just further hurting yourself, Melissa. Stop. Stop hitting your head.
That's something wrong. I've done something wrong. He's in the hand. You're telling me what the f*** you're doing. You're fine.
Relax. She going by Chica now? She going by Chica now? Melissa, Melissa.
That dog.
Do you want the...
That's the wrong. That's the wrong. Bad dog. I'm a bad dog. I do it all the time. I do. Dog. Real bad podcast.
Melissa, come on. I don't want to hold your head in the dirt. Melissa, please stop. Please stop. Come on, you want to stand up?
By chance?
Melissa, you want to stand up?
One second, phone. You know what? I've been
Melissa.
What is this? What is this?
Melissa,
What? What?
do you want us to leave your stuff with somebody here, or do you want us to take it to valet?
It's a tag. It's a book that's on.
What?
Just take a bullshit, man. Just take out the thing. Just throw this bullshit and go.
Stop.
Just fine. Just trying to whack me, man. You let alone. I'm so tired to get sentenced. Bad shit on. Get wrong. Get fire.
We put on mine because I can strap her in. Yeah. So this can't.
Fire! 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 Go, Melissa. Number one, I just want to try some stupid young face.
Alright, let's get her in your car. Let me get up. So shoulder. Oh, he's help her stand up. See if she'll.
Mama, what stuff? No what? And there's a donkey, but not.
You know, it just makes me think sometimes when I watch some of these videos, especially more the mental health type ones. It actually saddens me sometimes. I know it's funny. It's you know, these people are acting nutty and everything, but I just sit back and I think sometimes, like, man, I wonder what this person was like before the issues, you know, before they either got hooked on drugs or alcohol or whatever, got roped in with the wrong crowd or whatever. Like, what are the events that happened in this person's life that led them to this path, you know? Because even me and you, right? There's, you know, we're not on a downward spiral, you know. Well, you never know. Some people are going through things in life, right? But you right now, you gotta sit back and think, what are the things or the events that happened that led me up to you watching me right now? You know what I'm saying? Man, these people need help, and not all the time does jail fix that. You know, some people need serious help, not jail. Jail is just gonna make them worse. And I know it's a quick fix. Oh, let's get them off the street, da da da. But they're gonna be out in a couple hours or a day or 90 days, whenever they could, whatever, finish their case or whatever the case may be. And they're gonna be right back out on the street with these same issues. It's not gonna fix the problem.
Melissa, sit on the seat. Get in the car. I go just get in the car.
I'm doing wrong. I know I'm taking
Sit straight. Sit.
I'm sorry.
The other side.
Darn me. You put the roof reflection.
Slide your butt back.
No, man.
And it's. Slide your butt back.
No.
Melissa, you're gonna get more charges.
Calm down, man. What's the problem, man?
Sit back.
No. I'm gonna sit back. Yo, this is
You want us to leave you alone? You want us to leave you alone?
What are you gonna do? You gonna arrest me still?
You want? Melissa, slide back.
And you can saturate me like some no No.
Slide back now.
No.
I don't even know where I can grab her.
You motherfuckers, I'm gonna kill you, motherfucker alive. I'm telling you. You don't get me.
Got it.
Just damn, in case you know. No bad help from me. You don't son of a gun.
Be more comfortable if you sat back, but. Alright. That's all hers on the sidewalk. I think. You alright? You hurt?
My lower back just sore.
Yeah.
She flopped onto my car. I didn't even do anything. And then she flopped off of my car like a fish. If I didn't hold on to her arm, she probably would have taken off. And then she hit the dirt. But you saw her feet on the property, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
She was on it when we were way down there. She was more on it, but
I mean, do you feel comfortable with the RA?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she's still resisting. I mean, I wouldn't go with violence, but
I don't think this was RA though. I think she was just pissed off and she was flopping all
I'd
over.
say everything from the point you told her put her hands behind her back and she didn't. With the rolling around, flopping around, tucking her legs, all of it.
That's fine.
I mean, I wouldn't go with violence, but
Well,
it's all RA.
is somebody taking her stuff?
No.
No.
No, I think she just grabbed it all. I'll meet you at Valor.
Yeah.
In the end, Melissa was charged with trespassing and resisting an officer without violence. She pled no contest and was adjudicated guilty. She was sentenced to 10 days in jail with credit for 5 days served. If you like this video,
And what is that gonna do for her? That's the shit I'm talking about. That's the stuff I'm talking about. You get your 10 days in jail, you pay your court fines or whatever. She's not gonna pay her court fines, so that's a waste. But in the big scheme of things, what does that do for somebody like her? Look like she's homeless on the street, got issues, does absolutely nothing.